Do you feel life is pulling you in all directions, leaving you stressed and overwhelmed? What if you could stay calm, focused, and resilient no matter what happens? In this video, I'm sharing 9 Stoic rules for a better life. Simple yet powerful ideas that can transform your mindset and help you lead a peaceful, purpose-driven life. Let's dive in. Stoicism is an ancient philosophy that teaches us how to live with wisdom, courage, and self-control. It's not about being emotionless. It's about mastering your emotions and making the most of life no matter the circumstances. These 9 Stoic rules will give you clarity, peace, and purpose. Rule 1. Focus on what you can control. Life is full of uncertainties, but the Stoics teach us to focus only on what we can control: our thoughts, actions, and attitudes. Let go of worrying about things beyond your control, like other people's opinions or random events. This simple shift in mindset reduces stress and brings peace. Rule 2. Practice gratitude. Gratitude is a cornerstone of Stoic philosophy. Every day, pause and reflect on what you're thankful for. As Epictetus said, "He is a wise man who does not grieve for the things which he has not, but rejoices for those which he has." Gratitude makes us realize we already have enough to be happy. Rule 3. Embrace hardship. Stoics believe that hardship builds strength. By stepping out of your comfort zone, whether through fasting, cold exposure, or challenging goals, you train your mind to endure and grow. Seneca said, "Difficulties strengthen the mind as labor does the body." Rule 4. Live in the present moment. Most of our worries come from dwelling on the past or fearing the future. The Stoics urge us to stay present because that's where life happens. Focus on the now and you'll find peace and clarity in everything you do. Rule 5. Accept mortality. Remembering that life is finite helps us live fully. The Stoics weren't afraid to think about death. Instead, they used it to prioritize what truly matters. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "You could leave life right now. Material possessions bring temporary happiness, but inner peace is lasting." The Stoics teach us to find contentment within ourselves. Epictetus said, "Wealth consists not in having great possessions, but in having few wants." Simplify your life and you'll find true joy. Rule 7. Take responsibility for your actions. Stop blaming others or external circumstances. The Stoics teach us to take full responsibility for our choices. Own your actions and you'll feel more empowered and in control of your life. Rule 8. Help others without expectation. True happiness comes from serving others. The Stoics believe that we are all interconnected, and that helping others creates a ripple effect of goodness. As Marcus Aurelius said, what we do now echoes in eternity. Rule 9. Reflect on your day. End your day with reflection. Ask yourself, what did I do well? What could I improve? This simple practice, used by Stoics like Marcus Aurelius, helps you grow and stay aligned with your values. Stoicism isn't just philosophy, it's a way of life. These 9 rules are tools you can use every day to live with purpose and peace. Start small. Pick one rule and apply it today. Over time, you'll feel more grounded and in control of your life. Which rule resonates with you the most? Share it in the comments below.